Hey, my name is Joey, and this is my bike check. Basically, I'm running a fit frame, Animal ASM rear tire with an Odyssey rim, Shadow spokes. Running Shadow chain, Havlink, 25T Animal sprocket with Odyssey three-piece cranks. I might get some uh, Odyssey twisty pedals, but these Animal Steven Hamilton pedals are doing okay. Crappy ass pegs, an Odyssey seat with an Odyssey seat post. Also running uh Animal grips, um fit bars, two hip Playboy forks, piece of shit. Front rims are Odyssey Shadow spokes as well, but in front I'm running Animal GLH tires. Um, my stem is an S&M Redneck XLT stem. And yeah, that's probably about it. Oh, and I don't run brakes, but if you do run brakes, I think you're pretty much smarter than me because I'm not too good with brakes at all. There you go. That's my bike right there. That's beautiful. Yes, it is. Well, give me some comments, and I'll write back to you. Alright, well, thanks for watching.